Hi, and welcome to this quick Pilates abs class. All you need today is a yoga mat, or you can also just be on the floor. We'll be on our backs today, so make your way down however feels good for you. Keep your knees bent, feet on the floor, and start finding some movement here. Just swaying the hips side to side, maybe bring your knees to your chest, taking some knee circles here one direction and then the other. Then come to stillness and place your palms on your hip points, fingers on the pubic bone. Start tilting the pelvis back and forth gently. So you're finding an anterior tilt and then a posterior. Just finding some gentle movement of the pelvis here. Good. Last one. Good. Then come into a neutral spine again, and we'll start feeling into our deep core a bit. Place your hands on your low belly. Take an inhale, and as you exhale, imagine pulling your hip points towards each other, towards the midline. You'll feel the low belly engage under your fingers. Inhale to relax, and exhale to pull your hip points towards each other. Beautiful. Keep going here with your own breath. Inhaling, relax. Exhale, squeeze hip points towards each other. Beautiful. Last one. Really squeeze those hip points towards each other. Feel that low belly tighten under your fingers and relax. Bring your legs into tabletop. Make sure knees are over hips and shins parallel to the floor. Lift arms straight up, palms facing each other. Inhale, lower the left toes to touch the floor. Exhale up. Inhale, right toes down. Exhale up. Go nice and slow, engage the low belly. If this is too hard and your low back pops off the floor, bring your knees slightly closer to your chest and tap the toes closer to your butt. Find a position that feels challenging but not too overwhelming. Really think about that low belly and those hip points pulling towards each other. Keep the arms reaching straight up towards the sky. Relax your face. Good. Really press that low back into the floor. Inhale as you lower. Exhale to come back up. Good. And last one, then we'll do the arms. Now keep your legs in tabletop. Reach the right arm overhead, bring it back, and then left arm. Keep your elbows straight and inhale as you reach, exhale as you bring it back. Nip the front ribs in so that they don't flare out and really press your low back into the floor. Now your hands don't have to touch the ground, but really keep those elbows straight. Really think about pulling those hip bones towards each other. You should really feel this in your core. Good. And last one, and then we'll do both legs at the same time. Now tap both feet to the mat, really pressing your low back into the floor. Engage that low belly, pulling your hip points towards each other. Really feel that low belly engage. Last one, and we'll do opposite arm and leg. So now lower right arm, left leg, and then left arm, right leg. Really press your low back into the floor. Relax your face. Go slow here. Inhale as you lower. Exhale as you come back up. So these are so good to help stabilize your low back and your whole body. And they're gentle enough to do even if you have back pain. Now, if this is too much, you can, of course, keep doing just the arms and the legs separately to build strength. But you're doing really good here. Last one. Great job. Take a quick break, hug your knees into your chest. You can take some knee circles here again. Beautiful. Now let's re-engage the core and then straighten your legs straight up. You can also keep a bend in your knees here. Lower the right leg down and then the left leg. Now, if this is way too challenging, you can make a diamond shape with your hands and place it underneath your sacrum and then lower one leg at a time. So keep going here, inhaling as you lower, exhaling as you're bringing it back up. Really press your low back into the floor, imagining those hip points drawing in towards each other. Relax your face. And again, if it's too much with the legs straight, you can keep a slight bend in your knees here. Beautiful. Try to unclench that jaw. Okay, last set. Last one. Beautiful. Take a moment. For our next one, we're gonna have our legs and arms straight, and we're gonna lower them at the same time. And then at the top, you'll add a little hip curl. Now, this is quite challenging. So to modify, you can again make that diamond shape with your hands and place it underneath your sacrum. You can also bend your legs here and just tap the toes like this. Now pick your version, and we're gonna do 8 total. 8, 7, inhale to lower, exhale, bring back up. 5, 4, good job, relax your face. Last 2. And last one, come on, we got this. Ooh, good job. Take a moment here. We just have one last exercise and you are done. Let's do one round of crisscross legs. So straighten your legs and bring them down in a crisscross for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, that is it. You are done. Hug your knees into your chest. Take a moment of gratitude for your body. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you liked it. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon.